If you want to delete Krita files safely, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, freeing up space, or just removing files you no longer need, it's important to do it the right way so you don't accidentally delete the wrong thing. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, close Krita completely, or at the very least close the file you want to delete. This is important because if the file is currently open or in use, your computer may lock it and prevent you from deleting it properly. Closing the app also helps avoid any accidental unsaved changes. Next, open your File Explorer. On Windows, this is File Explorer. On Mac, this is Finder. This is where you'll be able to browse through your folders and locate the Krita project you want to remove. Now navigate to the folder where you saved your project. If you remember the exact location, go there directly. If not, check your Downloads folder, Documents folder, Desktop, or any custom project folder you may have created. Take your time here, because Krita files can be easy to overlook if you have a lot of artwork saved on your device. Once you find the file, look for the Krita project file extension, which ends in .kra. That extension is a clear sign that it's a Krita file. Make sure you've selected the correct file before deleting anything, especially if the folder contains images, backups, or other related files. Now you can delete the file. On Windows, right-click the file and click the trash can icon, or simply press Delete on your keyboard. On Mac, right-click the file and choose Move to Trash or press Command and Delete on your keyboard. After that, the file should move to your computer's trash area instead of being permanently removed right away. If you want to fully erase the file, the final step is to empty your recycle bin on Windows or empty the trash on Mac. This is what permanently deletes the file from your computer and clears up storage space. Just keep in mind that once it's emptied, you usually won't be able to recover the file easily unless you have a backup. And that's it. You've now deleted a Krita file safely and permanently. If this tutorial saved you time, please like this video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.